Have you ever wondered about the hidden stories behind the things you use every day? From the food on your plate to the sweater on your back, every product has a journey. It all begins far from the store shelves, in fields, tanks, and factories. Today we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the fascinating worlds behind some everyday items. We'll see how eels are raised in high-tech tanks and how ancient salamanders are farmed with care. We'll follow a banana's path from a giant plant to a crispy snack, and we'll discover how sheep's wool becomes a warm sweater. These stories are about hard work, innovation, and the surprising details behind familiar things. Farmers and workers use special skills and technology to bring us these products. By understanding their journeys, we can appreciate the effort and care that goes into what we eat and wear. So let's get started and explore the secret lives of everyday things. We'll visit modern farms, high-speed factories, and learn about the life cycles of animals and plants. This isn't just about how things are made, it's about our connection to the natural world. By the end, you'll never look at a banana or a wool scarf the same way again. Let's begin our journey. Eel farming is a delicate science. Eels need tanks that mimic their natural dark and cool habitats. Farmers use clean, oxygen-rich water and sometimes add crushed ice to keep eels calm. Calm eels grow better, so the environment is carefully controlled. Moving eels is tricky, they're slippery and fragile. Instead of nets or hands, farmers use gentle suction pipes to transfer eels safely between tanks. Once moved, eels are sorted by size, which helps with feeding. Smaller and larger eels have different needs, so sorting ensures everyone gets their share. Eels are fed a special, soft paste made from grains and fish meal, spread across the water's surface. Farmers monitor the eels' health and growth daily. When eels reach the right size, it's time for harvest. Younger eels may be sold to other farms, while mature eels are prepared for food. Harvesting is done with care, using nets to scoop them from the tanks. It's a wet, busy job, but it's the final step before the eels leave the farm. Every stage, from tank to table, is about precision and care. Eel farming is a blend of tradition and technology. The result? A delicacy enjoyed around the world. Next, let's follow the eels on their final journey. The process is just getting started. Let's see what happens next. After harvest, eels are weighed and loaded onto special trucks for a quick trip to the processing factory. At the factory, machines and skilled workers take over. Eels are sorted by size for even cooking. Automated systems and conveyor belts keep things moving fast. A precise machine slices each eel open for cleaning, with workers handling the finer details. Next, the eels travel down a roasting line, passing under flames that crisp the skin and tenderize the meat. Quality control is strict. Only the best eels move forward. Approved eels are flash frozen to lock in flavor and texture. Some are packed with a sweet, savory sauce, then sealed and labeled for shipping. From farm to factory, every step is about quality and care. The journey transforms a slippery creature into a celebrated dish. Eels are now ready for tables around the world. It's a process that combines tradition, technology, and taste. The next time you see grilled eel, remember the journey it took. Now let's meet another ancient farmed animal, the giant salamander. Its story is just as remarkable. Let's dive in. The giant salamander is a living fossil, with ancestors dating back to the time of dinosaurs. These rare creatures can grow over a meter long and are prized in some cultures. Farming them requires expertise and constant care. Salamanders live in water, so farms recreate their natural habitats with clean, filtered tanks and hiding spots. Water quality is crucial. Systems run 24/7 to keep it clean and oxygenated. Some farms even provide outdoor areas with sunlight and flowing water. Daily, farmers clean tanks and monitor the salamander's health and behavior. Healthy salamanders are active with smooth skin. Feeding time is important. They eat live worms and small fish, just like in the wild. Farmers ensure every salamander gets enough food, even the picky eaters. This careful attention helps them grow strong and healthy. Raising giant salamanders is a blend of science and patience. It's about preserving an ancient species while meeting modern demand. Every day, farmers balance tradition, conservation, and innovation. The result is a thriving population of these remarkable animals. But their journey doesn't end here. Let's see what happens next. The life cycle of the giant salamander is a story of patience and care. During mating season, farmers collect the soft, transparent eggs and move them to incubation tanks. Here, water temperature and oxygen are carefully controlled for healthy development. When the eggs hatch, tiny salamanders are moved to nursery tanks. Some are released into streams to support wild populations, while others stay on the farm to grow. Salamanders grow slowly, requiring years of dedicated care. Only the healthiest, fully grown animals are harvested. Preparation for food is a tradition. First, the salamander is blanched, then skinned to reveal tender meat. The meat is sliced and used in traditional dishes like stews and stir-fries. This rare delicacy is the result of years of careful farming and respect for the animal. From ancient egg to prized dish, the salamander's journey is truly unique. It's a blend of conservation, tradition, and culinary skill. Every bite tells a story millions of years in the making. Now let's turn to a more familiar food, the banana. Its journey is just as surprising. Did you know the banana is technically a berry, and the plant is the world's largest herb? There are over 1,000 banana varieties, each with unique flavors and colors. The journey begins with careful harvesting. Workers cut heavy bunches called hands from the plant. Conveyor belts carry the bananas from field to processing, protecting them from bruises. At the station, bananas are weighed, trimmed, and washed in gentle, soapy water. Soft paddles clean the fruit, followed by several rinses. Workers and machines sort out any damaged or overripe bananas. The bunches are broken into smaller clusters, hand-dried, and packed into cartons. Careful packing prevents bruising and rot during shipping. The cartons are stored in cool warehouses, then shipped worldwide. Every banana in your kitchen has traveled far, thanks to careful hands and clever systems. But some bananas take a different path, becoming delicious snacks. Let's see how. Not all bananas are sold fresh. Many become tasty snacks. Workers quickly peel bananas by hand, then machines slice them into perfect rounds. Uniform slices ensure even cooking or drying. For dried bananas, slices are baked slowly to concentrate sweetness. For banana chips, slices are fried until golden and crunchy. Both snacks are weighed, sealed, and labeled for freshness. The finished treats are packed into boxes and shipped to stores. Every chip or dried banana has a story, from field to factory to your snack bowl. Next time you enjoy a banana chip, remember its journey. It's a blend of tradition, technology, and taste. Now let's meet the animal behind your warmest sweater, the sheep. Their story is just as remarkable. Sheep are everywhere, over 1 billion worldwide, providing meat, milk, and especially wool. Their wool grows continuously, needing an annual shearing. Sheep graze in open fields, living in flocks and cared for by farmers. Their diet is mostly grass, with grains and hay for extra nutrition. Farmers ensure their health with regular checkups, hoof trimming, and vaccinations. Special care prevents disease and keeps their fleece high quality. Once a year, skilled shearers remove the fleece in one big piece. Shearing keeps sheep cool and comfortable. The raw fleece is the first step in making wool clothing. From pasture to shearing, every step is about animal welfare and quality. The journey of wool is just beginning. Next, let's see how fleece becomes fabric. The transformation is fascinating. After shearing, the fleece is washed to remove oils and dirt, a process called scouring. Clean wool is sorted by fiber length and texture for quality. The fibers are carded, combed into fluffy strands called slivers. Carding aligns the fibers, preparing them for spinning. Spinning stretches and twists the wool into strong, continuous yarn. Modern machines make this process fast and efficient. Yarn is wound onto spools, ready for dyeing or weaving. Some yarn stays natural, while others are dyed in vibrant colors. Yarn is woven or knitted into fabric for clothes, blankets, and more. The fabric is washed, softened, and sometimes treated to prevent shrinking. Tailors cut and sew the fabric into garments. From sheep to sweater, it's a journey of skill and care. Every step combines nature's gifts with human ingenuity. The next time you wear wool, remember the story behind it. The secret lives of everyday things are all around us.